So these are the field increasers. They're magnets, and there's 4 of them. Number 1 is the lowest, and number 4 is the highest for enhancing the field. And it's best to use these in packages of 5, so 1 and 4 together and 2 and 3 together. The blue side is for pain and for helping people relax. So we're going to put the blue side down, number 1, and the blue side down, number 4, because that's a 5. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do her shoulders and neck area, because that's usually a place where people get a lot of pain. So we're going to put the blue side down like that. And then what we're going to do is to make it even stronger, we're going to put the intensive pad right in the middle. So now you've got the field increasers and the intensive pad, and that's going to help with her pain and inflammation.